Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on the look that I am wearing right now and I'm quite excited. I have not done or filmed a makeup tutorial like full face from a long time, guys. I'm quite sorry for that. I totally understand. Many requests have been coming to me for smoking eyes and all that stuff, but I just wanted to do this look that was on my mind. I don't know how it came out, but this is what I have filmed. I hope you like this tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. Most of the things I'm using are some new favorites, recent favorites, or something that I've been loving in the past. So you will get to know some new stuff in this video and hopefully that is helpful for you guys. Now this color is so pretty. I was really afraid to use a color like this because again the palette has mixed reviews. Wanted it more than Prism initially, but I got Prism, so this was always in my wish list. So guys, now it's time for the face, and I'm gonna stop voiceover now because it's truly very hard to do face makeup without talking. I can't. So I'm gonna do the base with the Porcelian Unicorn Elixir. And for the days I do not need any smoothing primer, I can totally go with it alone, and if I want a little extra I can add on top because it is really very lightweight. So I'm gonna use a matte foundation today, so therefore I need a little bit of something. So I'm gonna use the luminizer primer by the brand Dr. Branded luminizer primer, which is like a sheer skin colored luminizer primer. So you see there is a little bit of something, a little bit of sheen on my face. That is why I like that, and it is not very hydrating for an oily combination skin type as well. And I'm gonna use a matte foundation, which is this one, which is one of my favorite matte foundations of all time. Shade 103 is a little, you know, warm undertoned than my skin is, but I like it currently because my skin and my body is currently tanned. I'm so excited to try the Juno sponge, the fiber one. I hate sponges for a reason since a long time, that they soak up a lot of foundation, and honestly I wanted something that can help me. But Real Techniques has been my favorite drugstore, even one of my favorite from the all range I have used. So you see the foundation has such a beautiful coverage, and it gives me almost a full coverage, and I can totally go away with a concealer sometimes. Obviously not today because my skin needs it and my eyes too need it. So going with my favorite new concealer, which is the Too Faced Bonds Way Multi Use Sculpting Concealer. Such a big name. The coverage it gives is not real. So today this is my old favorite. This is not new, but the shade is new. This is the shade Deep in Jordana Sculpt and Go Creamy Contour Stick, which is one of my favorite, and I suggested this one in my affordable favorites. So creamy, guys. So easy to contour with this one. I like that it is short. It is very easy to hold by the beginners. This is why I like this. Really, really good. So you see how easily it is blending with this brush, which is not the stiffest brush I have used for cream contour, and it is not having anything. It is not basically playing with the base as well. Like to contour inwards, like upwards, and sometimes that can fill little spaces here if you are highlighting before, so you need to cover that later on. The contour shade gets a little too high sometimes when I'm blending, so I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu Rose Spray for this one. Today's powder is a new one. It is the Colourpop No Filter powder, and this is in the shade Banana, which is not my personal, suitable shade, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of this for my under eyes. Yeah, it's a bit yellow, but let's see, and finger crossed. Turning a little bit sheer, so thankfully. But I remember I used it initially a few days back, and I really loved it. I am totally gonna stock another shade which is lighter. So guys, my battery died and I just did my face, but I'm gonna show you what all I did and with some steps. So I used Milani Coral Cove blush, which is such a pretty one. I love this. To set my contour, I used the butter bronzer in the shade Bronzer because it is very neutral and I love to contour with it. Especially when I've done cream contouring, I like to use this to set it because it just makes it subtle and nice. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I really love the lipstick and the eyeshadow, everything. I love the base a little bit less due to the foundation that turned out a little too matte for me today. I don't know why, but on the camera it's looking so gorgeous. I love it. I love the eyeshadow. I love the lashes. These are new lashes. I will link everything in the description box below. If you want me to do these videos often, do let me know in the comment section below. That will really motivate me, and I will definitely work on these videos more. If this video helped you in some way, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.